Welcome to True Projects. In this video, we are going to discuss about vendor management system. Introduction. The vendor management system tackles challenges within local produce distribution by offering vendors a digital platform to transparently display products, update pricing, and oversee inventory. Users are empowered with the access to detailed product information, encouraging informed decision making. This mitigates communication obstacles and extends vendors' market reach, broadening their business opportunities. Through the replacement of manual procedures, the system streamlines record keeping, curtails data fragmentation, and fosters effective vendor-customer engagement. Ultimately, the system fills gaps in information sharing, elevates market accessibility, and streamlines agricultural commerce process for all involved parties who are vendors, users, and administrators. Coming to objective, the project's aim is to create a user-friendly web-based vendor management system that promotes transparent interactions among vendors, users, and administrators in local agricultural commerce. Its goal is to highlight transparency by enabling vendors to accurately present their products. Through real-time communication channels, vendors can promptly update information, aiding users in making informed purchase choices. The system strives to broaden vendors' market reach and enhance inventory management efficiency. Utilizing centralized data storage, user-friendly interfaces, and direct vendor-user engagement, the initiative modernizes conventional agricultural trade practices, leading to advantages for all stakeholders in the ecosystem. Coming to requirements, we need hardware and software requirements. In hardware requirements, operating system of Windows, processor of 5 and above, RAM of 4 GB and above, and hard disk of 50 GB and above. In software requirements, Python 3.7.0 and MySQL Workbench we require. Coming to methodology, we have designed 4 modules. The first module is the admin module. It serves as the system control center. Administrators can log in with their credentials to access an administrative dashboard. Here they have the privilege to manage various aspects of the system. They can oversee user accounts, verify vendor registrations, and view or update product information. The admins has the authority to maintain data accuracy and ensure system security, and also manage all the overall functionality. Second module is vendor or farmer module. The vendor or farmer module is designed for vendors or farmers. They can sign up for the system by providing necessary information. After logging in, vendors can add details about their fruits and vegetables, including names, prices, quantities, and images. They can also update this information in real time, reflecting changes in availability and prices. This module empowers vendors to effectively present their products and communicate directly with the customers. Coming to the user module caters to the end users of the system. Users can create accounts by signing up and logging in. Once logged in, they can gain access to a user dashboard where they can have a view of comprehensive list of available fruits and vegetables. Users can browse through these products, review their details such as prices and quantities, and make informed decisions. This module provides users with an easy and convenient way to explore and select products they are interested in. The last module is sign up. The sign-up functionality is integral to the system. Both vendors and users need to sign up to access the system's features. During the registration, they provide necessary details such as farmers, usernames, passwords, contact information, and user type, which may be vendor or user. The sign-up process ensures secure access for authorized users and tailors the experience based on their roles. Coming to the execution. To execute this project, first we need to open the code folder which contains the source code files. This is the code folder of the project, and this is the test images. This folder contains a collection of images that will be utilized within the application at the later stages. And this is the vendor folder. Inside this folder, there are Python code files that are intended to be dynamically loaded into the project code during runtime. And this is vendor app. It contains templates and static folders. And here, this template folder, it contains all HTML pages used in project. It typically includes files like index.html, home.html, and etc., which will present different pages of the website. And this is the static folder. This consists of files related to CSS, JavaScript, and Bootstrap files. And this is the DB file. This contains queries that we need to run in MySQL Workbench to create a database. And this is the manage.py. It is a command line utility that comes with the Django. It provides various commands for managing Django projects, including tasks like running the development server, creating database tables, applying migrations, and more. And this is the run.bat file. Instead of executing the program in command line interface, we have created Windows bat file to execute the project. So we need to double click on it so that manage.py file is compiled. So here, after running the manage.py file, the Django framework will host the application locally and default address localhost and port. Here we have to copy this link provided by the framework and paste it into any browser and type index.html at the end of the link and then hit enter. So I prefer the Chrome. Here I will copy this link and click copy. I will paste it in the browser and type index.html. Here, this is the home page of the project. It is displayed in the browser. This is the front end developed by the Django framework. Now, we need to click on the button sign up here to sign up farmer or the user. Here, first we'll sign up as the farmer. So here I'll enter True Projects as a username and password. And here I'll enter the contact number. And here email address, and here the address. So here I will select the user type as farmer and click on submit. Here sign up process is completed, which means farmer has signed up successfully. Now we'll enter the user related information. So here I'll enter. This is my username of the user, and here this is the password of the user, and this is the contact number, and this is the email address. Here I will enter the address of that particular user. And here in user type I need to select user. So I'll click on submit so that user will be signed up successfully. So here it is showing that sign up process completed. Now we need to click on the button farmer login. So here I need to enter the username of the farmer and here the password. So here I'll click on the button login. Here farmer is logged in successfully. Now I'll click on the button add fruits or vegetable details to add all the fruits and vegetable details. So here I'll enter the product name and here the quantity of that particular product and here price and here is the location. And now I need to choose the image. For that I need to click on this button choose file. So here I'll select the tomato image and click on open. Here this image is uploaded successfully. Now I'll click on the button add products to update the all tomato related information. So here tomato is added. Now we'll click on the button view price quantity to see whether tomato details are added or not. So here we can see that the tomato details are entered successfully. Here is the product ID, here is the vendor farmer name, or here we have the product name, and here we have available quantity which is 100, and here we have the price related details, and here we have the product location, and here we have product image. And by clicking on the click here, we can update the product related information. So I'm clicking on click here. So here we have the product name, and here we'll enter the new quantity. So in new quantity I'll enter 500 as my quantity, and in price I'll update to 30. Now I'll click on update details. So here product quantity or price is updated. For viewing that, we'll click on the button view price quantity. Here we can see that it has updated successfully, where the available quantity is 600 and the price has risen to 30. Now we'll click on the button, we'll log out. Now we'll click on the button admin login. Here we'll enter the username of the admin. So admin has logged in successfully. So here we'll click on the button view farmers details to see all farmer related information. Here we can see username, password, contact numbers, gender, email ID, address and user type of that particular farmer. Now we'll click on the button View User Details to see all the user related information. So here we can see user related username, password, contact number, gender, email ID, address and user type of that particular user. Now we'll click on the button View Fruits and Vegetable Details to see all the information regarding vegetables and fruits. So here we can see product ID, vendor or farmer name, here product name, availability, available quantity, price, product location and product image. We'll log out of admin and now we'll click on user login. Here we need to enter the user related information. So here I'll enter the password. So here user is logged in successfully. Here he can view the fruits and vegetables available with the vendors. So for that I need to click on the button View Fruits or Vegetable Details. Here he can see all the product ID, vendor or farmer name, product name, available quantity, price and product location and product image. We'll log out of user. Here this is completed execution part. Coming to conclusion, this vendor management system emerges as a transformative solution framed to reshape local agricultural commerce. It effectively tackles transparency challenges, amplifies communication channels and widens market reach, enhancing the relationship between vendors and users. Equipped with the real-time updates and efficient inventory management, vendors can fine-tune operation, granting user access to informed decisions and convenient product procurement. Enhance oversight and advanced data management empower administrators. Together, this project marks as a substantial advancement in modernizing conventional agricultural trade, nurturing sustainable expansion and fostering a harmonized ecosystem that accommodates vendors, users and administrators alike.
Thank you for watching video. For more projects please visit our website www.trueprojects.in. For updates on latest project videos, please visit True Projects YouTube channel and subscribe.